Understanding, cheesed off, an English idiom explored. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, cheesed off. This phrase might sound quirky, but it's a common expression in English-speaking countries. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and its origins. Ready to add some flavor to your English vocabulary? Let's get started. Cheesed off is an informal idiom used to express feeling annoyed, frustrated, or displeased about something. It's similar to saying you're fed up or irritated. For example, if someone says, "I'm cheesed off with this traffic," it means they are really annoyed by the traffic situation. The exact origin of cheesed off is a bit unclear, but it's widely believed to have British roots. Some theories suggest it originated in the British military during World War II. The phrase might have been a polite way to express frustration without using stronger language. To help you understand how to use cheesed off, let's look at some examples. 1. I was cheesed off when the concert got cancelled. 2. She's been cheesed off ever since she lost her job. 3. They were really cheesed off about the hotel service. Notice how the phrase fits into everyday situations where frustration or annoyance is the key emotion. While cheesed off is unique, there are other idioms with similar meanings. Phrases like fed up, irritated, annoyed, or miffed can often be used interchangeably. However, cheesed off adds a uniquely British flavor to your expression. And that's a wrap on cheesed off. Remember, idioms like this add color and personality to your language skills. I hope you found this exploration both informative and enjoyable. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video where we'll uncover more fascinating aspects of the English language.